Hey guys, Ralph Rouse Automotive. Real quick this time. Nissan VQ35DE engine, used many years in many different vehicles. This was a P0011, P0021. Something about the timing, and most people associate it to these solenoids right here. But this is real quick how this can be deceptive. These are your covers. Check your timing components. Don't have to touch it. This one is completely extended. Okay, told you guys real quick. That's the cause of it. I fished some plastic out of the pan already, so kind of a giveaway. But anyway, these are your inspection covers. If you inspect one of these, having problems with timing, there you go. Real short video, as I said. Actually, I'm not quite done. Changed my mind. Add a little bit something to it. Careful not to mar up the aluminum if you ever take these sill plates off of it. You don't want to mar that aluminum surface. Really careful. I'm not prying or anything like that. Just barely twisting on it. Okay, so this is actually what I wanted to add. Hope the camera can see that really good. This is poor maintenance. Almost use the other word. Look at the cam face and look at the color of it. Poor maintenance. That's likely the reason why the engine failed. But anyway, it's getting two different heads. I'm working on the heads. I put out the video the other day for the heads, so working on that. I got to still finish that video, but that's what I wanted to show you here, guys. That's the reason timing components failed. That's poor maintenance. Change your oil in your engines, guys. Thank you for watching.